Preparation and properties of some important compounds. Please refer the syllabus. 1. Boric acid. The formula is H3BO3 or BOH thrice. The trivial name of orthoboric acid is boric acid. It possesses the formula H3BO3 or BOH thrice. It is an important compound of boron and possesses medicinal value. Preparation from borax. Borax, a new chemical formula, that is borax means Na2B4O7. Boric acid formula is H3BO3. Write the equation listening to the statement. When hot concentrated solution of borax is treated with the calculated quantity of concentrated sulfuric acid, orthoboric acid is formed. On cooling the resulting solution, the crystals of orthoboric acid get separated. Action of heat. Metaboric acid formula HbO2. Boric oxide formula B2O3. B2O3 is also known as boric anhydride. First learn this formula, then only you can write the equation. On heating orthoboric acid above 370 Kelvin, partial removal of water takes place and metaboric acid is obtained. When you write the formula, below that write the name in words. On further heating, boric oxide is formed. Below that write the other name for boric oxide, that is boric anhydride. Write the equation. Next element is aluminum. Reaction with acids and alkalis. Let us take first one, dilute hydrochloric acid. Aluminum reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid and form aluminum chloride and hydrogen. Write the equation. 2. Dilute sulfuric acid. Aluminum is not attacked easily by the dilute sulfuric acid. This is probably due to the insolubility of the oxide layer present on its surface. However, it dissolves in hot concentrated sulfuric acid. Write the equation for hot concentrated sulfuric acid. Aluminum reacts with the hot concentrated sulfuric acid and form aluminum sulfate, sulfur dioxide and water. Third acid, nitric acid. Whether it is dilute or it is concentrated, has practically no action on aluminum. Nitric acid renders passive, means when aluminum is treated with nitric acid, the aluminum atoms present on the surface gets oxidized by nitric acid and thus forms a protective film of oxide. Al2O3 is formed on the surface of the metal, which do not allow the reaction of the metal to with the acid. That is the reason for why it is renders passive. Alkalis, a new chemical formula is required, that is sodium tetrahydroxoaluminate 3. This is a coordination compound. Formula is Na plus AlOH 4 times minus. Aluminum reacts with the sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. If it is sodium hydroxide, the products are sodium tetrahydroxoaluminate 3 and hydrogen are formed. Write the equation. Amphoteric nature of aluminum. Aluminum reacts with both acids and alkalis. That is why it is called amphoteric in nature. Alums, preparation and uses. Earlier, the term alum was used to describe the double salts of potash alum having the formula K2SO4, L2SO4 thrice 24H2O. Nowadays, the term alum is used in a wider sense and may be defined as follows. Alums are double sulfates having the general formula M2SO4 M-2SO4 thrice 24H2O, where capital M stands for the monovalent cations such as Na plus, K plus, NH4 plus, etc. M dash represents for a trivalent cation such as Al3 plus, Cr3 plus, Fe3 plus, etc. Potash alum. Preparation. Formula is K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice 24H2O. A new chemical formula is required for the preparation called alunite or alum stone. It is a mineral. Formula is K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice 4AlOH thrice. This is the formula of alunite or alum stone. Step 1. The mineral is boiled with dilute sulfuric acid. The products are potassium sulfate, aluminum sulfate, and water. Write the equation. This solution is filtered. If there is any insoluble impurities are there, it can be removed by filtration. The filtrate is potassium sulfate and aluminum sulfate present in that is solution is the filtrate. Step 2. The filtrate is mixed with a calculated amount of potassium sulfate. That means you have to add little more potassium sulfate. The resulting solution is concentrated and cooled when crystals of potash alum are obtained. It's a balanced equation with 24 water molecule. Therefore, potassium sulfate plus aluminum sulfate plus 24 water molecule gives potash alum. That is the product. Uses. Page number 596. 4 uses of alums are given. Please refer the text.